wide open spaces, endless views of rugged mountain peaks, where the storied American West lives on, with 610 acres to explore, surrounded on three sides by the San Juan National Forest and wilderness areas. Where will the day take you? Casting for rainbows and cut bows? Saddling up for a ride through the aspen groves? Hiking from your front door into the picture-perfect outdoors with deer and elk on the move? As the sun sets in the western sky, host family and friends in the sprawling main house and guest house, all without leaving the ranch. The Mountain Bird Ranch was originally envisioned and created by musician Dan Fogelberg. From Pagosa Springs, head south on Highway 24 to find this slice of paradise. As the creek winds along the road, the forest opens up to manicured grounds as you enter the ranch. Mountain Bird Ranch, where adventure and recreation meet refined relaxation.